Hi, welcome to Hybrid-Dino Brothers. Today in my YouTube channel, I am reviewing Killer Predator. I'm not sure which name it is. Sorry for the background noise, like always. My brother's here, my dad's watching TV, my friend's here to Okay, we're going to take a closer look at its staff. Let me focus the camera a little. And my brother's distracting me, so it's kind of hard to focus it. So that's what the skull looks like. It's has part of the spine here, and has a long metal shaft. It's kind of like a ball there. Spread it out. I'll show you what this ball is for later, and this handle is for later. Next is this thing. There's supposed to be a string attaching to this so it doesn't like spread out. It launches, it spreads out. Instead, it spreads out this way, but the chain makes it go like straighter. It spreads out and then it comes over straight. Of course, it has these balls. I don't know why this one has balls. Balls on the top. See the slot? That slot and this gap. This pops into here, and so the stander. This ball is to like keep it sturdy. Next, we're gonna look at the Predator mask. I like how it made it this like alien machetes. These holes are and those slots are for the mandibles, and my brother's purposely being annoying. I'm aware that he might do this every video. Yeah, almost every video. Okay. And here's the Predator. It has a silver plasma cannon and a turquoise mouth, both jaws, mandibles. He has red hair and golden leg plates and some more iron and Predator metal here. He like has these things here, and he has some sort of gold flip-flop. Okay, and if you look on the here, and there is some computerizing storage thingies. This one is for like the health kit to heal them. This one is for contact, and I have no idea what this one's for. This one also has a countdown. See the line? That's the countdown. He has very rough textured skin, and the chains aren't painted, but you can feel them here, and the chains are really like put out, like shown, because it's kind of hard to notice, especially on the skin. We also got some rough bumps on here. And the mask fits on right here. This bump goes over his head. Press until click. Well, may click. And this is what he looks like. This grabber thing goes right above this golden piece around his waist. And it stands like this, or you can move it. And that's all for this toy review. Hope my brother will stop. Bye.